how to edit your name on LinkedIn and how to add different features. If you want to learn, then watch this video till the end. Assalamu alaikum, I am Ishtiaq and I welcome you to my YouTube channel Grow with Ishtiaq. In the previous videos, we have learned about what are the different naming features on LinkedIn and how naming feature can help you to create a really great first impression on LinkedIn. In this video, we will learn that how you can edit your name on LinkedIn to create a really great first impression on LinkedIn, and how you can add different features in your LinkedIn name. So we will go to the LinkedIn Live environment and we will watch it. We will learn it live there on the LinkedIn environment, that how we can edit our name and how we can add different features on LinkedIn. So let's visit to the LinkedIn Live environment. Now, first of all, go to your profile and here you can click on this edit button, and on clicking on the edit button, you will edit your intro, and this is your first name and also your last name. Now you can write your first name and your last name here, and if you have it's already written, so you can only use your name along with your distinctive certification here. I can write here LinkedIn I can write here LinkedIn coach, and I can save it here. And you can add your pronunciation feature to your name, pronunciation of your name, or a brand message, but we'll talk about this in the upcoming video. But you can delete it here, but you can only add it here using the mobile application. And also you can add the farmer name, the name that you are being called upon. Also your middle name, many times it's not visible on LinkedIn, but you can add your farmer name also. So you can edit your name here. I do not want to add this distinctive feature, and you can save it here. Now after saving it here, it will appear here as your name along with distinctive feature, and if you have recorded the pronunciation, then it will also appear here. So that's all about how you can edit your name on LinkedIn. So if you have liked this video, then share it with your friends and colleagues. Also, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, then must subscribe this channel and press the bell icon to get notified of all the videos that I'm posting on this platform. Also follow Startivation on Facebook, LinkedIn and Instagram, and you can connect with me on LinkedIn, where I'm present with my account name Ishtiaq. So thank you for watching and stay tuned.